I'm making my tomato stew, chicken tomato stew, okay? So I have my oil heated up, and then I added my blended up ingredients. That's onion and garlic blended up together, okay? So as you can see, my blended up ingredients has cooked beautifully, and I'm going to proceed with the next product. So now I put in my tomato paste. Okay. Tomato paste. Is it tomato paste or tomato paste? Yeah, my kids tell me it's tomatoes, not tomatoes. Okay. So speak it however it works for you. Okay. So I'm going to fry it in. So I have it mixed in all beautifully. I'm going to fry the tomatoes in there for at least 5 to 7 minutes straight, and then I'll add the other ingredients. So now I have my stew frying beautifully, just like I want it, okay? So it has fried for 7 minutes, like I said earlier. And if it's the first time you're watching, please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and let me know where you're watching from. So I'm going to add in my tomato sauce. So now that I added my tomato sauce, you see it doesn't have a lot of oil, okay? Try to minimize using a lot of oil. Staying healthy and eating healthy should be one of your priorities, okay? Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I don't take your views for granted, okay? And this is how it is looking. It's looking very, very beautiful. I'm going to let it simmer for 10 to 15 straight minutes, okay? So how you can tell that your stew is done is when oil begins to form at the surface. So as you can see, oil is beginning to form at the surface. That tells you that your stew is getting ready to be done, okay? So I'm just going to let it fry for some more, and I'm going to add in my spices. With my spices, I go in with bay leaves, rosemary, white pepper, black pepper, chili powder, clove powder, and nutmeg. And I'm going to stir it in beautifully, gently, okay? So you see how it is bubbling up? It's telling you that your stew is coming together, and it's looking really, really. So now you have to make sure your heat is on a very low, so it doesn't splatter everywhere and make a mess in your kitchen for you to clean later on. So I'm going in with my chicken wings. Okay, so this is supposed to be chicken stew, okay? You can add any protein naturally that you want, but it's a special request. So as you know, I will list all the ingredients in the caption box below for you to check it out. And on Facebook, I'll leave the list of ingredients in the comment section, okay? So please don't forget to check it out. And I want to thank all my subscribers and my followers. I really appreciate you guys really, really well. So this is how it's looking. You see how it is looking gorgeous, and it has less oil on top of it. So you got to minimize your oil, because if you have oil on the top, you still have to skim out the oil when you're done. So it gives you less work to do. All right, so I'm going to put in some stock cube. I'm only doing 1 stock cube. You can do any quantity of your choice. I just try to avoid a lot of spices. And then I added some chicken bouillon, okay? And I'm going to add in a pinch of salt, okay? And I'm going to stir it in gently so the chicken can soak in all the goodness from the stew, okay? You try this recipe for your husband or your loved ones, oh my gosh, They're gonna keep asking for more, okay? This is really, really delicious, and it smells amazing in my kitchen. I know it smells amazing. If you live in and around and you want to stop by for a plate, feel free. You are more than welcome. So now I'm going to taste for salt. It's good. The salt is perfect, just like I want it. And if you want it salty, you can add more salt to your preference, okay? And if you want it spicy, you can make it to your preference as well. So I'm going to cover up and give it 5 more minutes so it can simmer and all the spices can cook really good inside the sauce. Okay, so as you can see, my chicken stew is looking amazing and delicious. I can't wait to dig into the stew. And look at the chicken. Oh my goodness, see how delicious. You can pair this with anything you want. Let me know what you're gonna pair with this. Goodness. Okay. You can pair it with bankum, plain rice, fufu, anything. You can pair it with eba, almighty eba. You can pair it with that. Okay, so see, you see it doesn't have a lot of oil on it because I didn't use too much oil. So this is how my stew is looking. It's looking really, really gorgeous. Okay, until I come your way again. Happy Easter to you all. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Leave the comments in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Okay, thank you all so much. Bye, and God bless you.